Hello guys, and welcome to today's video. In today's video I want to show you a platform that you can host your digital product and sell digital products and make money in dollars. All right, so whether you are a Nigerian or you are a South African or you are from any other country, this platform actually allows you to sell your digital product from anywhere in the world and earn in dollars. Right, so if you're creating digital product and you sell digital product, or you want to be making money from selling your knowledge online, or selling your art pieces, or selling your digital product whatsoever, even membership, then this is a platform that I'm going to be showing you. Okay, so if this is your first time of coming onto my channel, I welcome you to this channel. My name is Awajimam Isiotu. So I teach you how to do stuff online. I teach you things that will help you make money for yourself and grow your business. So quickly, before I go straight into the video, just do me a favor by liking this channel, liking and subscribing, and making sure to turn on your notification bell. All right, so let's go straight to the platform. The name of the platform is Gumroad. Okay, Gumroad. So Gumroad is actually a platform where you can sell digital products irrespective of wherever you are in the world. So this platform is actually a very good platform if you want to be selling your digital products. Now let's just go straight to the about section. We are in the home section, but let's go to the about section. Let me show you what the platform is about. So it says that you can go from $0 to $1. With Gumroad, anyone can earn their first dollar online. Just start with what you know, see what sticks, and get paid. It's that easy. As you can see, there's a button there that says start selling. So if you want to start selling, you come here and click on start selling. It will give you option to sign up or sign in. Now let's click on start selling and see where it will take us to. Okay, boom. So it's telling us join over 196,877 creators who have earned over, you can see the money there on Gumroad, selling digital products and memberships. So what you need to do here, if you have not signed up, is to sign up either through your Facebook or your Google or your Twitter account or Stripe. All right, or maybe probably you sign in if you have signed up before. So that is that. And then you can see this is one person here. You can see different things, different option. And one thing I like about this, these guys have a very good sense of humor that makes you relax, and then you can look through all of these places. Okay, it says what you can sell anything from video lessons to monthly subscription to physical products, whatever. Gumroad was created to help you experiment with all kinds of ideas and formats, meaning that you can sell your top 10 list, you can sell your crypto tips, you can sell your fractal pack, you can sell your keto cooking book, you can sell your CD, okay, your scenes, you can sell new emojis, or even anything. All right, now if we keep going, you are going to see more about what this website is all about. As you can see, look at the website. So very cool website that has a lot going on here. Okay, so if we come here and click on this, see, you can check on the features, you can check on the pricing, you can check on different things. But however, let us look at what exactly can you sell on this website. What exactly can you sell? So I'm going to just go back a little. I'll go back here, and then I'll click on this place. Click on this place just to show you the things you can do. Can you see? You can sell things about business and money, about education, about gaming, about photography, about writing and publishing, comics and graphics, fitness, audio, fiction, music recording, and many things. Okay, so I just wanted to show you about this website. So maybe with time I'm going to be doing more videos about this website. I'm going to test it myself and then come up with more videos. So if you want to learn more about this, you want to know more about this, or you want me to make a video about how you can publish and host your digital product on this platform, just go to the comment section and drop a message for me. All right. If I see it, if I have a good number of people who are interested in this, then I'll make another video to show you more about how this platform works. Okay, there's a lot of money in digital product creation business. So if you want to learn how to do that, go to the comment section and drop a comment for me, or check the link in the description to see access to more information that I am putting out. Okay, and also I have a community. If you want to join my community, check the link in the description, and I'll see you in my next video. Please do well to like, subscribe, share, comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.